Imagine swimming in a lake on a hot summer day. The water is quite warm, but the wind is strong, and the moment you leave the water, you feel chilly and you get goosebumps. So you change your clothes and move inside to warm up. You make a nice cup of tea, get under a blanket, and switch on the radio. Suddenly, you hear a song from long time ago, the song your grandmother used to sing to you when you were just a child. Again, you feel a chill on your back, and again, you get goosebumps. Why do such seemingly unrelated events elicit the same bodily reaction? What exactly are goosebumps and why do we get them? Well, let's find out. Goosebumps are a physiological phenomenon inherited from our animal ancestors which were useful to them but are not really of much help to us. Goosebumps are tiny elevations of the skin that resemble the skin of geese after their feathers have been plucked. At the end of the hair strands closest to the skin, known as the root, are tiny muscles called erectabili. The bumps are caused by contraction of these miniature muscles. When these muscles tense up or contract, they cause the hair to stand straight up. However, scientists are not certain as to why we actually get goosebumps. Goosebumps tend to form when you're cold. They also form when you experience a strong emotional feeling such as extreme fear, sadness, joy, and sexual arousal too. Sometimes, goosebumps may crop up for no reason at all. Many animals also experience what could be categorized as goosebumps, including porcupines and dogs. In these cases, goosebumps are a bodily response to a situation where it is advantageous to appear larger and stronger, such as during a confrontation or courtship. Scientists believe that goosebumps might be a hand-me-down survival mechanism from our ancestors. Possible causes of goosebumps. On the most basic level, goosebumps can keep you warm. When you're cold, the muscle movements that can trigger goosebumps will also warm your body. In animals, this action also raises hair in a way that traps air to create insulation. In people, this effect does not do quite as much. Humans have much less body hair than many other non-human animals with hair. Although somewhere in the human lineage, we were once covered with much thicker, longer hair than we are right now. When early humans would get cold, their hair would lift and separate slightly. This would trap a small amount of air close to the skin, effectively creating a layer of insulation. As your body heats up, your goosebumps will slowly begin to disappear. The same goes for bodily exertions that can cause goosebumps, such as having a bowel movement. After a bowel movement, goosebumps will disappear. Apart from the cold, why do we get goosebumps when experiencing something pleasurable like the sound of beautiful music? When you're experiencing extreme emotions, the human body responds in a variety of ways. Two most common responses include increased electrical activity in the muscles just under the skin and increased depth or heaviness of breathing. These two responses appear to trigger goosebumps. With these responses, you may also notice sweating and an increase in your heart rate. Intense emotions and the associated response can be elicited by what you think, hear, see, smell, taste, or touch. Goosebumps are also associated with the state of feeling emotionally touched in either a joyful or a sad way. Sometimes it can be both simultaneously. Adrenaline also triggers goosebumps. Thus, goosebumps can also be a result of fight or flight response of the body. In most cases, goosebumps are nothing more than a temporary nuisance. However, goosebumps can be a sign of a long-lasting or a serious medical condition. For example, goosebumps can also be a sign of keratosis pilaris, a harmless and common skin condition that creates the look of goosebumps on the skin for long periods of time. Autonomic dysreflexia, an overreaction of the nervous system caused by a spinal cord injury. Temporal lobe epilepsy, a chronic seizure disorder. Chills, for example, those associated with fevers caused by influenza. Although goosebumps, also popularly termed as skin orgasms, are a universal phenomenon, it is very unclear as to what exactly causes them and how they are related to our emotions. To learn more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Explified. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye!